Notice how the blue wire is off. It is off. I think it belongs in the second slot from the right with that upside down W. Notice in the summer with air conditioning it is off. Notice in the summer the yellow and red wire, which is to the most right screw, is on. This is how air conditioning should be. In the winter, when we need heat, take the red off the last most right screw. Notice how the red is off and only the yellow is on the most right screw. Also, reconnect the blue. That was off when air conditioning was needed in the summer. In the winter, we reconnect the blue and take off the red. Additionally, turn off the breaker box in the winter. Turn off the breaker box for the air conditioning. Should be breakers 22 and 24. And lastly, open up the vents so that it doesn't get too hot in the furnace, which sometimes causes the furnace to shut down.